I even angle it at? I feel like it's hitting my eye. Ah! Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Yuki, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, my makeup has already been done, and that is because I am going to be swatching some stuff for you today. Well, swatching just lip glosses primarily. Mented Cosmetics sent over these lip glosses to me, so I thought I would do a swatch video because I have done a swatch video of their lipsticks a while back, and yeah, they just sent this over to me recently, as well as a little thank you card for, you know, the holiday season or whatever. And they also sent this really cute bag with it. It has the Mented logo on one side, and on the other side it says pigment is our passion. Also, before I continue, Laura Mercier also sent me some stuff. They went ahead and sent me this little box that had body butters in it, as well as some lipstick duets or duos, and also a little set of mascara and like a stick cream eyeshadow. Also, Laura Mercier sent this really cute translucent loose setting powder combo, the glow version, with a tiny little brush, and this would make a nice little gift. Like, these little cute holiday sets, I love them. This would make a nice little gift, and it's like a little, you know, I do not have any highlight on because I'm actually gonna try it on. This little box here, I think I'm gonna give it away. Probably, maybe I'll just slide into somebody's like Instagram DM or something that is always supporting me and just be like, hey, you want makeup? Here you go. So, I mean, that's what I've been doing anyway, in case you're wondering why I no longer do giveaways. It's that reason, because some of y'all are just like, when people see giveaway, they just leap. And it's like, you don't even know me. Why are you talking about, oh, you love my content? You don't even know me. People come out of the woodwork. So I'd rather just reward people who I see consistently supporting my content. That's basically all that's changed. So this I'm going to put away for a lucky subscriber. And I'm going to pull out my glow setting powder because they sent it to me recently with the brush here. Where'd the brush go? Laura Mercier actually recently sent me the translucent medium deep, the glow version, and it came with this brush. It was like in that little set that I'll try to put the clip up or whatever, from when I tried the foundation, and I didn't realize it was the glow version. So I'm definitely gonna try it in this video because I have to. And this is their glow powder brush. I'm going to test it out with the brush. Hopefully I don't ruin it. I'm gonna take what's actually on the cap because I'm very afraid of what I might do. Just because the brush looks so intimidating. Look how big it is. Like, all right, let's see. Ooh, where do I even angle it at? Like up here? Okay, maybe up here. Okay, it's not bad. I feel like I'm getting it everywhere though. Like, it's not really hugging my cheek. Okay. Oh, okay. I think I got a hang of it. Whew. I feel like I didn't really get to, okay, maybe if I angle it up like this. Now we are talking. So you don't need much at all. That little bit that I had on in the cap was like a sliver of product. I feel like even this much is too much. Tap off the excess and go. Ugh, I feel like it's hitting my eye. Ah! Okay, this side looks stupid compared to the other side. I don't know. There's a learning curve to this brush, man. I'm gonna just use the tip right up here so I can get a better blend because I'm having some interesting stuff happen. Okay, I wasn't so successful with this side. I mean, she's still beaming or whatever, but I feel like my placement was a little off. This side, actually, the placement on this side is a tad low too, I noticed. There's a learning curve. I will get this down. I will get this down. If you're gonna do all of this and you have to literally use like a grain of product on your brush. Okay, so this covered some of my eyeliner. I need to go back and reinforce it. It's so crazy to me how in the pan it looks like just regular setting powder, but it actually glows. It's so weird. It's so weird, yet it's so cool. Here's my concern. Can you imagine being in a rush, you grab your translucent medium deep, you dip into it, and you set your under eye, and you realize, snap, this is the glow version. Because I can like, oh my gosh, I would be so upset. I would be so upset. I mean, there are differences in the packaging, the outer packaging. This one, for example, the cap is it's like a, not iridescent, it's just more of a, here, I'll show you the difference. This is a cap for the glow, and this is the cap for the regular one. So you see how the glow has like that golden tint and the regular one doesn't? Somebody who's in a rush wouldn't be able to know the difference, because it's like you miss those little details when you're, you know, speeding through your makeup. So I'm purposely gonna be storing my glow version in a different location than from the regular one, just so I don't make that mistake. And I like that it's subtle. It's definitely giving a glowing from within kind of vibe. I want to move on to, really quickly, the body butters. They sent this little package of body butters. One of them is amber vanilla, but it's amber vanilla. The other one is almond coconut milk. I want to smell these. Oh gosh. The almond coconut milk smells good. Let me see this amber vanilla. And I purposely kept my hands ashy for this. So if you're like Yuki, your hands are ashy, this is why. Because I knew I was going to put on some body butters. Oh, this smells good too. I don't know which one to pick. Okay, I'm just going to use this one. The amber vanilla. Oh, she thick. Y'all see that? They're body butters. It makes sense for them to be. Man, and I just purchased some lotion on Amazon too. Oh, well. Ooh, oh, okay. I'm getting hit with a grown scent. Yeah, that's the best way I can put it, a grown scent. Like, this is not your, what was that scent we used to use back in the day? From Victoria's Secret? No, not Sweet Pea. It was an amber one. It was like Amber Glow or something weird like that. This is a grown scent. It's not bad. It's not a bad thing. I like the fact that it's grown. Like, you're not going to mistake this for Bath and Body Works stuff or Victoria's Secret stuff. It just smells grown. I can't put my finger on it, and now I can't stop applying it. I'm just gonna mix them. Let's mix them. The almond coconut milk smells very almondy. That's the best way I can put it. Moving on to the lips. Laura Mercier sent me the Lip Artiste Nude Lip Duet, and it's a lip pencil and also a lipstick. It comes wrapped like a gift in this red tissue paper, and it's just, ugh. This first one is not my shade, so I'm probably going to be giving that away to somebody, most likely a subscriber. This next one is the Lip Artiste Red Lip Duet. So this set is really pretty. I do want to try this on, but I think I'll do it after I've tried on all these lip glosses from Mented Cosmetics. They also sent this Caviar Duet Mascara and Shadow Set. One of them is mascara, the other one is a Rose Gold Caviar Stick Eye Color. I'm actually gonna go ahead and use the mascara. I mean, I really don't have lashes like that, so I can't really tell you much, but it does go on well, so love that for me. Moving on to the Mented lip glosses. The one thing I love about Mented Cosmetics is their attention to detail. Like, everything just coincides with each other. They stick to their aesthetic. Love it. The inside of each box corresponds with the lip shade, or gloss shade, I should say. So this one is Mauve Over. Ooh, that's pretty. I might have to remove the foundation I have on my lips. All right, so let me show you guys what Mauve Over looks like on just my bare lips, my two-toned bare lips. These are very, very lightweight. Ooh, that's pretty. Wait a minute, how they get it to look cute on my bare lips like this? Mented, what y'all doing over there in your laboratories? In your laboratories? I feel like it actually looks better on my bare lips than it does with foundation on my lips. Am I tripping? Because you guys know my thing with my lips is the fact that they're two-toned. It drives me nuts because I feel like, oh, I want both to be the same shade, same color, and they're not. The top is darker than the bottom, and you guys notice I do have like a bit of a natural lip liner going on because the border of my lips are darker. But yeah, this is what Mauve Over looks like. Next up is the shade Bury Me. She's dark. She's a bit on the darker side. Let's see what it looks like on the actual lips. I feel like I have to use 2 coatings. It actually matches my top lip. These are very nourishing glosses. They're not super duper sticky. You know those glosses that are really sticky? It's not one of those. And my lips feel like they're actually being moisturized. So here we have Berry Me. This next one is called Pink About Me, and it looks very light in the tube. Let's see what this is talking about. I feel like this will go great on top of a dark lipstick or with like a really dark lip liner, and you just put this like literally right in the middle. But this one is Pink About Me. I forgot to tell you guys, these smell really good actually. Next one is Correlation. I love the play on words. Coralition. Correlation. They may look intimidating in the tube, but they're not as opaque as you would think, just because, you know, obviously they're glosses. Oh, this, ooh. Mented, just, everybody go home. Everybody go home. Mented. I also think, maybe I'm biased, but I feel like my choice of products on my face, foundation, not too much going on. This is actually probably technically a soft glam kind of vibe. It just goes well with all of these glosses. I feel like this was the perfect base, perfect complexion combo to do this kind of lip gloss swatch video. Might I add myself. Correlation, I love it. Next we have Number One Cran. Get it? Like number one fan, but number one crayon. And this is a cranberry. I love how nourishing these are. I really, really like them. This is looking like, oh really? Tell me more. How do you do? This next one is called Send Nudes. And they do have the lipstick version of this. Oh, but when I put on several coats, haha! It's a done dealio. Now I get what you guys mean when you're like, oh, but I like your two-toned lips. Oh, da 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 da. Okay, I get it. 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 But I feel like it only looks good during gloss time. Good. Regular lipstick time that you need opaqueness and evenness, not good. But here we have the shade Send Nudes. Oh, darling, I just can't be bothered. I just can't be bothered. Okay, my lips are beginning to complain. They have had enough of these shenanigans. And last but not least, we have Baby Brown. And she is dork. I'm excited for this one. I don't know why. All kinds of 90s vibes. All kinds of 90s vibes. You want to know what this video, this entire gloss swatch situation is making me excited for? It is making me excited for when I'll be done with my Invisalign and then I don't have to worry about stuff getting on my trays, because I am so ready to be rocking glosses all the time. Look, do you see this? Even with me complaining about my two-toned lips, which low-key in this video, I don't think I will ever complain anymore. Never say never. But my lips low-key snapped. I never knew this whole time. Like I feel like it just hits different with these glosses. Is it the complexion? Is it the head wrap? Is it the jewelry? I don't know what's happening, but I like it with my two-toned lips. So this is Baby Brown. I'm gonna try to put on this Lip Artiste Red Lip Duet with my natural two-tonedness. The lip pencil is called Crimson. Okay, no, I need to apply powder or something onto the lips. The moisture from the glosses is making it difficult for anything to slide on. Now my lips look like I do stuff that's not legal. The lipstick shade is Rouge Ultime? Laura! Dude, do you guys see that? Oh my God, do y'all see that? I don't want to take it too far in. Y'all did you really have to snap like this? Look at how gorgeous this color is. Like, I'm having a difficult time computing. This is absolutely gorgeous, darling. Sorry if I keep looking in the mirror every 2 seconds. I really want to make sure that this lipstick does not get on my trays. What else is there to say? This was the perfect way to wrap up this video, because period poo, all the periods, all the punctuation marks. This is so pretty. Thank you so much to Laura Mercier, and to Mented Cosmetics for sending me this little like cute holiday stuff. These are perfect gifts, you guys. The body butters, the glosses. Need I say more? Yeah, let me quit looking at myself. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. I hope you guys have a lovely holiday, lovely Christmas, lovely New Year, everything. I yeah, I hope to continue to bring you guys wonderful, awesome, innovative, indispensable, valuable, entertaining, comedic, heart-wrenching, beautiful content. Wow, that was a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye. Kissing you underneath that mistletoe. Oh, oh.